Imagine being the build and
What's up? Let me open the chat real quick, see what's going on over here. Guys, one of the biggest questions I get is when will Ethereum correct? A lot of people are asking me, is Ethereum ever gonna correct? When is Ethereum gonna correct? Are we gonna get an Ethereum correction? What is going on exactly? A lot of people are asking that in the Discord, and a lot of people are attempting to pretty much play the song. Bro, what's the song? What is the song? And a lot of people are attempting. The song is playing. Or you want me to play real? You want me to play real music? Pump it up. Yeah, I could play Pump It Up. All right, I'm gonna do an intro then. I'm not gonna speak. One second. I need to remove this. Add audio.
You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. It's not so long ago that the sound hit the nation. Every Saturday night on your favorite radio, and the party's jumping, yeah, and the vibe feels so strong. Throw your hands in the air, lift your head up high. You know you've got to sing along. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. It's not so long ago that the sound hit the nation. Every Saturday night on your favorite radio, and the party's jumping, yeah, and the vibe feels so strong. Throw your hands in the air, lift your head up high. You know you've got to sing along. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Got to feel it.
Alright guys,
What's the name of the jam?
let me just slow this down a little bit. Put my voice a little bit higher. Guys, one of the main questions I'm getting on the Discord and privately on Twitter, on X, is will Ethereum ever correct? Okay, will Ethereum ever correct? A lot of people are trying to short Ethereum, but the problem is that a lot of people are getting wrecked shorting Ethereum. I know I never go live around this time. Nasty red candles coming on Monday. Peut-être, maybe, yeah, that's very possible. but it depends on the CME gap. So right now Bitcoin is currently sitting at 116,600, and if we have a look right here at the regular Bitcoin chart, or the CME is actually sitting at 117,425. That's when it closed. Did it really close like that? Yeah, it closed at 117,425. So as long as we close a little bit below that, that's good, because if we do have a gap towards the downside to the upside, that's going to be super bullish. But the main question is, when is Ethereum going to correct? Okay, are we going to keep on pumping maybe to 4,500, come back down, retest $4,000? Is this what's going to happen in the near future? Let's play this song real quick. It's very possible. What is this? 1 second, let me just do this. I don't even know why there's ads here. I don't even have ads. All right. Anyways, so this is what's happening right now. Ethereum is not slowing down, and coins on the Ethereum ecosystem is not slowing down as well. We could see right here, Pepe is absolutely flying. And if you guys are in my Discord, I did mention multiple times that we're about to see a massive breakout on Pepe right here on the 3-day time frame. Okay, the 3-day time frame is looking super bullish, not only on Pepe, but it's looking super bullish right here on Ethereum as well. I don't think we're gonna come below $4,000. I don't want to say ever again, but I don't think we're gonna come below $4,000 anytime soon. We could definitely come back and correct. Okay, we could definitely do something like that, but I don't think Ethereum will truly come back below $4,000. And I think after we get that retest, Ethereum will essentially go to $8,000, which is going to be big. A lot of people are going to get wrecked. A lot of people are going to get destroyed. Yeah, and pretty much that's about it. So I would really be careful. What are types of bad advice you hear in the crypto space? I don't really take advice from people, but you shouldn't take advice from anyone. I guess that's, you know, if people say trust me, or this is my advice, take my advice, don't trust them and don't take their advice. Just learn. Just learn. Yo, Rigo, what's up? What up? All right, so these are our current trades right now at the very moment. We're currently up right now on BNB 48%. BNB, I'm looking to add BNB at the exponential moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So if we have a look right here at BNB, I am looking to add BNB at the 4-hour EMA ribbon. I don't know if we're gonna get the 4-hour EMA ribbon, which is $791, but this is trust me, bro, meme coin launcher. Yeah, exactly. And this right here is where I'm looking to enter or add more on BNB. So right now we're just chilling right now on BNB. We took profit already. BNB is up 49%, which is looking pretty darn good. We got Pepe up 112%. I don't think I'm going to take more profit on Pepe. I think I'm done with that. I'm just going to let it ride. I think this can really this could really explode. And then we got BONK right here up 11%, and then XLM's looking a little bit quiet, not doing much. XLM's looking a little bit boring, down 5.7%. As long as XRP keeps on dumping, XLM will dump. You guys can see right here, they do go hand in hand. They're both red together, so nothing too crazy. But guys, if we have a look at the crypto bubble, let me just put the crypto bubble real quick, because I want to show you guys how crazy this is. Look at this. Look how bright green this is. XLM dumping down a hill. Okay, so we got KuCoin. The KuCoin coin is up 16% in the last 24 hours. We got ENA right here up 18%. Chainlink is looking pretty darn good right here, up 8.9%. And then we got Pi. Some guy freaking took a long on Pi on the Discord. He made like 1,000%. Why would anyone buy XLM? I don't hold XLM on spot. I don't hold XLM on spot. I don't hold XRP on spot. I don't hold a lot of tokens on spot. I will trade it. I'm not gonna hold it. Like, fuck that. I would never hold all that shit. Why would you buy PENGU at the top? Who bought PENGU right here? Yo, what's up, man? Bought PENGU at 0.0033. Too high, or just ALR? What is ALR? If I have a look right here, PENGU is not really, it's not the top. It's not the top. Okay, I think right here PENGU is if you bought it at 0.033, you got the dip right here. It's not the top. Okay, it depends if you're playing with leverage or not. I mean, we're looking right here at a 20% gain. If you are a trader, first of all, there's two types of things. You should have a long-term portfolio and a short-term portfolio, or a short-term bag and a trading bag. Okay, if you are a trader, this is a fantastic trade. Okay, if you want to go ahead and hold it for a long term, 6 months, I probably say dump it now. Like, don't look back. Invest in Pepe, invest in Dogecoin, invest in something like that, H bar. Don't invest in this. This is my honest opinion, but here's the good thing. The last time we broke above these exponential moving average on Pengu, we actually went parabolic. We exploded 400%. So we know, guys, when we are below these EMA ribbons, we're bearish. When we are above it, we're bullish. We were slightly bearish right here. What happened when we broke above it? We're most likely going to start increasing slowly right here. Thought on the real Ethereum. You think there's a chance it will mega pump like the last cycle? I like Ethereum Classic. I'll trade Ethereum Classic. I mean, usually Ethereum Classic will usually Ethereum Classic is literally like one of the only, well, not the only, that's not how you're supposed to word it. I didn't word this properly. Usually when Ethereum does pump, Ethereum Classic follows, and it looks like this is what's happening right now. Let me just remove the indicators real quick. I do want to have a look right here on the weekly time frame. I mean, yeah, it's ranging pretty freaking well if you're asking me right now. Can we see the pump like this all the way to $169 like we saw? I don't know. That's like asking for a little bit of a stretch, but I do think we could listen, if we break this level right here, we're going parabolic. If we break this level right here, I think Ethereum Classic is going to pump. But we have to take it 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time, one candle at a time. We need to see if we could break above $40. If we get a closure above $40, maybe we consolidate and then take it to the upside. That's going to be by November. And I do want to clarify that right now we're not on altcoin season. I do want to clarify this just yet. How are you feeling on Titcoin? Guys, you know what's funny about Titcoin? Let me just bring someone literally he sold Titcoin. I'm still holding, but someone literally sold let me see if I could pop it right here. Someone sold Titcoin like right here, and they decided to invest in this coin called Dog, and it's now down 72%. Okay, they absolutely got wrecked. Okay, people try to get rich quick. Okay, so this guy, the reason why Titcoin dumped a little bit is because this guy like nuked the chart, and he was like, I don't know what he was thinking, but he like bought Titcoin right here, and this thing is like down 68%. Like, I saw his transactions and everything, and I'm just like, bro, like, what are these people doing? Like, people try to get rich so fast. People don't have patience. So this coin is like under $1 million or under 2 million. You got Titcoin sitting at 10 million. I'm not here to shill it or anything, but I mean, this is a clear runner. If you have a look right here at the 3-day time frame, okay, and I'm not big into memes. I only put 5K in this, okay, so this is not like big money or anything, okay, a little bit more than 5K, but like, listen, if you have a breakout right here and we take this back to the all-time high, even higher, you're looking at what, a 10-20x return on $5,000-$6,000 maybe $7,000. Like, you're making at least $7,000 to $100,000, which is pretty freaking good. Of course, depending on your risk. I wouldn't put 5K if that's all you have, but put a little bit. But I think this could break out. We got a clear breakout right here, and right now it's not meme season. I'll be straight up honest with you. It's currently Ethereum season, so nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know, nothing's really happening right now. We're gonna have to see and wait, but it's definitely not meme season right now. We're in the fake Ethereum Ponzi season. Everything else is a scam. Damn, that was dumb. MMA fighter post was funny. Yeah, it was funny. Wait till the bear market in 5 months. Everyone will say Bitcoin is a scam when it goes down below $50,000. Yeah, that's probably true. You know what's funny about Bitcoin? Everything. LMAO. LOL, take ETH season. ETH Classic is old and useless. Dude, 90% of the tokens are old and useless. I told my girl about the name. She couldn't stop laughing. I'm holding Bitcoin. Ethereum Classic is the real Ethereum. Can you check Sol? Yeah, I could check Solana. I'm attempting to take a long on Solana. This is Solana on the weekly time frame. Like, we're talking about a massive consolidation right here on Solana. Yeah, we're talking about a consolidation for like a year and a half. It's been ranging pretty freaking good right here, but on the daily Solana, listen, I would like to see Solana break away from this pattern right here that we're currently doing. If Solana can break away from this channel, and we could close above, let's say 263, that would be super bullish. But I don't want Solana to keep ranging here, boring, keep bouncing till I don't know how long, till like December, January. I don't want this to happen. That's gonna be way too boring. I'm hoping for a nice little closure. Hopefully, if that happens, we could see coins on the Solana ecosystem exploding like Titcoin. I got $10,000 75x long on KDA from 37, looking good so far. Are you out of your mind? Which exchange will let you do that from 37? Fucking $10,000 long, bro. That is freaking insane. Can you even do that? I don't even think exchanges will allow you to do that. You could do that with Bitcoin. I don't know if you could do it with KDA. Gas fees are crazy. ETH. I don't know why Sol doesn't stop ETH. Gas fees are not actually crazy on Ethereum anymore. They're not as crazy as they used to be. Like I remember in 2021, I used to pay like freaking, guys. In 2021, I would pay like $400 for an NFT. Like I remember, like I would buy NFTs left and right, and I would pay $400 in gas fees alone. It's insane. What's a good TP for KDA? I'm pretty sure at entry now. A good TP for KDA. Listen, KDA, I would probably say right here 49. I think we could reach 49. We do have an order block right here, and it's a pretty aggressive order block too. I mean, this order block is the order block that pretty much started the 25% dump. That's a pretty aggressive order block right here. I would probably say right below 49, so 48.4. And then once we get there, we could reassess, and pretty much that's about it. Sup double life today, what happened? Well, I saw crypto exploding. I saw Ethereum going up. Ethereum currently sitting at 4,300. I was a little bit bored. I had time in my hand. I didn't make the last live too long, so I was like, all right, you know what, we're just gonna go ahead and do the live in this evening. Almost 7 p.m, 6:30 p.m. Dose, I freaking love you, man. Thank you, you're so inspirational, man. I love you too. Do you mean 10k or 10,000 contract size? I think he means 10k. Like if he's got 10k 75x long, that means it would be like 10,000 times 75x. Yeah, altcoins are not following because usually, I want to show you guys something. Let me see if I can find it. Altcoin. No, it's like it usually goes Bitcoin season, then meme coin season. No, Bitcoin season, ETH season, low cap, I think, altcoin season. I think it's something like that. Let me see if I could find the chart. All right, so this is the chart right here that I want to show you guys. I'm gonna drop it on the Discord right now, and then I'm gonna open Discord. Yeah, and then I'm gonna open Discord. Okay, this is something that I never showed you guys, but I should have showed you guys. So I'm gonna drop it on Discord right now. I'm gonna explain to you guys why altcoins are not following, like all the altcoins at the very moment. Let me just share it right here. I'm gonna upload it to the general chat. You guys can follow through if you guys are interested. But this is what's happening right now. Okay, if we have a look right here on the Discord, just real quick, the reason why altcoins are not exploding, like yes, they're going up but they're not exploding, is because there's phases. Okay, you got the first phase right here where a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin, a lot of money like institutional, retail, a lot of shit, like. And then once Bitcoin gets steady, like we're seeing Bitcoin, it's not moving more than 10%. It's moving like very little, like 5% on the daily, like 0.5 to 2%. So people in Bitcoin, they're gonna be like, you know what? We're gonna move our money and talk about altcoin, or about Ethereum. Sorry, okay? Because Ethereum's about to break out. Everyone's talking about Ethereum. Ethereum's at 4,000. We need to see a breakout, maybe a 2x. So people from Bitcoin are gonna move their money into altcoin, and then you're gonna have the large caps, okay? Large caps could be stuff like Pepe, Dogecoin, maybe stuff in the, I would say in the top 50, okay? You're gonna have that in the top 50, and then after that, you're gonna have the real altcoin season. This is where everything is gonna start. KDA, meme coin, Titcoin, retire. People are literally just gonna throw money at everything they see on X, okay? They're gonna be like, oh, Kadina's going out, that's it. We're gonna put on KDA. We're gonna retire Titcoin, that's it. We're gonna explode. This is where you're gonna see like the bull off top. It's just gonna be euphoria. People are literally gonna like do cocaine. It's just gonna be crazy. It's literally gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, we're literally 35 people on here and only 9 likes, but it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, I mean that's this is the thing that's happening right now. Money's gonna obviously flow kind of like a snake, or whatever you guys want to call it. It's gonna like come down like a pyramid, and pretty much that's about it. So right now we're currently in phase 2. I'm sure you guys saw this somewhere on X, Twitter, whatever it is. I said it on my videos a few times. We're currently in phase 2 right now, and pretty much that's about it. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. That's what's happening right now. Why am I getting these ads? This is very annoying. I'm disturbed. Guys, I'm losing my voice a little bit. I don't know why, but it's okay. I removed my SL. I removed my stop loss on let me see. I removed my stop loss on XLM, FTM. Okay, XLM. If BTC dropped to previous daily low 150,000, it most likely will be triggered. People, please click like in his YouTube. He's amazing. Yeah, thank you. But a lot of people are sleeping. I don't know, depending on where you are around the world. I usually do like yeah, I mean, maybe people on the Eastern time are sleeping like 9:30. I don't know who the hell goes to sleep this early, but people in Europe are definitely fucking sleeping. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. Dose, what do you do for a living rather than crypto? Are you retired? I told you guys what I do for a living. If whoever asked me, who re-asked me right here? Someone asked me on the someone asked me what I do for a living. I told you guys. Where is it? Where did I put it? $3:22 a.m. and you're not sleeping? That's pretty crazy. That's actually pretty crazy. Oh, you're the same guy? Oh, you're the same guy that I don't even know where it is. Did someone delete it? It was pretty funny actually. Where did you ask that? Where did you ask that? Can you tell me where you asked that? What the hell is this? Oh, in Retire Clan? Oh. Yeah, dude. You said what do you do for a living? Are you retired? And then I said that. I don't know if you guys freaking saw that. 3 a.m. here, still awake. I have occasion. Fuck sleep. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Sir, how much price can ETH reach? I don't know, $1 million? I don't understand it. Yo, Dino, do you understand this? Does anyone understand this joke right here? This guy said, what do I do for a living? Are you retired? And I said, beat the meat. Obviously, it's a joke. It's a fucking joke. And when people tell me this, I always say that. Come on, man. You gotta look it up, man. You gotta look it up. Not financial advice. Or not. It's not safe for work. That's so funny. No, I don't retire, man. Retiring is for the weak. Your life is gonna be very boring if you retire. It's actually dangerous to retire. You know, it's not good for the heart. From Switzerland and well awake. Oh, Dorian. Well, welcome to the live. I believe you are new here. It's the first time I see your name. What do you mean? Do I know this? Who doesn't? I mean, this guy doesn't know. This guy doesn't know it clearly. So tell me, you seem so rich. I'm gonna have to remove this comment. I don't like this. I don't like when people say this. I mean, like, what price should I be expected from ETH? Because I have investment in ERC token. I just want ETH analysis from you. Listen, how high can Ethereum go? That's a good question. Like I said, Ethereum is interesting. Okay, it's interesting. There's gonna be a correction. The thing is, I don't know when. Okay, I don't know when, but I am expecting a pullback right here. I am expecting a pullback to at least 4,050. I don't think we're gonna go below $4,000 personally. That's me personally. Maybe we go to 4,100. Maybe we do something slow like that. We're gonna have to see what happens on Monday, but I really truly don't think we do that. I don't think, but it looks like we're going parabolic. I'll freaking tell you that, man. I don't even know. I'll tell you, it looks like we're going freaking parabolic right now. I mean, if you have a look right here at Ethereum on the monthly time frame, Ethereum on the monthly time frame is looking pretty good. Ethereum on the monthly time frame, if we have a look right here on the stochastic RSI, it's looking super bullish. I I mean, yeah, we still have a lot of, we have like at least 2 or 3 more months before this corrects. Okay, so we saw what happened here, right? We saw multiple monthly candles in a row, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see starting here actually maybe 2 to 3 more monthly candles in a row all the way to $8,000. It's very possible this happens, but I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. It looks like it is better. ETH will go to 4,500 and it will pull back. I don't know when it's gonna. Some pocket watchers up in here. Sleep is good to make sound decision when trading unless you do better with sleep deprivation. Now I want to see some trade well wasted. Don't do it. Let's see XLM right here. Our XLM trade is absolutely looking shit. It's actually not looking bad. We're only down 6%. Dose, if you look at all the futures, we have a huge CME gap on Monday for Ethereum. Okay, so yeah, you're right about that. Okay, you're actually right about this. We do have a massive CME gap on Ethereum. I believe the CME gap did close at 4,000. Was it $4,000? Yeah, 4,080. We closed at 4,080. So as of right now, we do have a gap, and we know what happened last time. Last time the gap did get filled. It took about 24 hours to fill the gap last time on the CME chart, and Ethereum has been pretty respectful filling these CME gaps, because every time we did have gaps, we filled it. We actually filled the last 2 gaps in a row. But the thing is are we gonna fill? Yeah, we didn't fill this one. Look, we never filled this one. So it's, I mean, the gap is gonna open at, assuming Ethereum is like 4,300, the gap is gonna open like that. Listen, that's a fat ass gap. That's a pretty big gap. I'm not gonna lie. That's a pretty big freaking gap. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's very possible we come back and fill it and then continue. The gap is, like I said, but I literally said this like a few minutes ago. I said I don't think Ethereum comes below 4,050. I don't think that's gonna happen. And this is perfect to essentially fill the CME gap, in my opinion. It's literally very, very perfect. Pepe is skyrocketing. Look at this. Pepe is just consolidating, by the way. On the 4 hours consolidating, on the 3 hours consolidating, on the 2 hour, on the 1 hour. Look at that. The 1 hour, it looks like we want to run again. The 1 hour, it looks like we want to run again. I think Pepe is going to run. If Ethereum stalls or keeps on pumping, Pepe is going to run. Pepe is going to run. It's going to run. That's why I'm not closing my Pepe trade. I'm not closing my Pepe trade anytime soon. Look, we don't even have any, like, it's looking pretty freaking good right here. Let's have a look right here on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, dude, this consolidation on Pepe is fire. It's fire. If you guys took this trade, you should be cooking right here. As long as we stay above the POC level right here, we're good. Yeah, as long as we stay above the POC, we're fine. Nothing to worry about. $1 in Bitcoin from inception would have been worth 1 million in 2017. That's insane. What do you think next similar play in BTC will be? Titcoin. CME gaps are useless, maybe. Chainlink is skyrocketing as expected. Listen, Chainlink, yes, Chainlink is good. I mean, yeah, it's. I don't hold Chainlink personally in my portfolio. I'm not a big fan of it. I know they have a lot of partnership with like Google and shit, but yeah, Chainlink is fantastic. We did have that nice little double bottom right here. We did take a few trades on Chainlink. I'm not gonna lie, we made some money. This was a beautiful W pattern right here. We took the breakout right here. We ran it up. But the thing is that we came back down, and I actually thought we were going to come back down and retest this POC level because we closed like multiple daily candles below. Yeah, we closed multiple daily candles right here below. That did not happen at all. And then what happened? Bang! Exploded. This was a massive fake out. This was a massive liquidity sweep. Massive by institutions. Manipulation, whatever it is, for people who got wrecked, people who sold. If you're a long-time holder or a long-term holder and you freaking sold Chainlink at $15, because people did sell at $15. That's why we're here. You got wrecked, and I'm sorry. But I wanted to have a look at something and I completely forgot. There was a chart that was looking good, or was it? Dose, we appreciate you, bro. I had struggled navigating this mixed signals market pre-bull. Since finding you, it feels way smooth and in control. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Are you pissed off you closed Link long? No, I'm not pissed. It is what it is. I'm not really pissed. No. Because we made some great trades after that. The thing is that if you get mad and then you start playing with your emotions and then you get cooked, you start chasing trades. And no, like after I closed, like no, I didn't trade for like 3-4 days. I told everyone in the VIP on the Discord. By the way, if you're not in the Discord, I would highly suggest joining the Discord. But I pretty much told everyone on the VIP, I was like, yo, like this is not the time to take trades. Everyone who listened pretty much were saved. Okay, they were saved, and I told you guys, you know, don't take any trades. And we ended up making money. DIA is doing what Chainlink could never, and outperforming the many altcoins right now listed on Coinbase and Binance and many top exchanges. DIA. What the hell is this? $111 million market cap. This thing has been around since 2020. All-time high market cap is sitting at $206 million. Let's see what they do. Wow, it's only listed on Binance and Gate the Ponzi. Oh, it's not listed on Binance. That was the yield, sorry. Binance, Coinbase. What, I mean, I've never heard of them. What do they do? They do have an unlock coming. Oh, that's next year. Oh, wow. This is interesting. Decentralized Information Action is an open source Oracle platform. Oh, it's an Oracle. Okay, it's like Chainlink. Interesting. I'm going to read more about it. I'm not going to talk about it on the live, but that's very interesting. I'm definitely going to look at it. DIA coin is a scam. It's a scam too. 100 million market cap coin. These stair steps unlocks are super nope. Yeah, they probably have shit tokenomics. What the fuck is DIA, bro? Bruh. Oh my god. Guys, make sure you guys join the Discord. We have good times on here. We have good vibes. You could join, you know, you could get access to the free VIP market analysis. Everything is free right here. Swing signals, marketed signals right here. I do give a bunch of analysis right here. Market analysis also every day. You have, like, you know, whichever coin that's pretty much trending, you're gonna have a market analysis on it, a full breakdown on it. So make sure you guys essentially join the Discord. I think this could be very, very useful for you, especially if you're a new trader, or even new to crypto. You could learn a lot, and yeah, it's free, guys. Sol is pumping. Solana is pumping. If Solana is pumping, that means Titcoin is pumping. I'm not in Pepe yet. I'm stepping into this today. Let's have a look. Right, is freaking Titcoin pumping right now? Because when Solana pumps, Titcoin usually pumps. No, it's not. I'm gonna be patient with this one. I don't care. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna be patient with this one. This is gonna be the best Ponzi of 2025. We're gonna fly. We're gonna make a quick 10x right here. I told you guys I'm selling at $80 million. That's an 8x from here. We're gonna make money. 21,000 holders. Not a lot of volume. I think this Ponzi is gonna be good. Let's have a look right here. Our trades right here. BNB up 51%. Wow, BNB's climbing. 806. Let's go. BNB is climbing. Yeah, I like BNB. I told you guys to go 20x on BNB because it's not as volatile right here. It's looking pretty good. I think we're going to reach 857 in the next couple of days, in my opinion. Hopefully you reach it by tomorrow. Tomorrow, by Sunday, Monday, before the market opens. Hopefully this is what we're going to see. I'm going to YOLO my house into Titcoin. Bro, don't do it. What do you think of Turbo? Mentioned this on the Discord. I think you haven't checked it. It looked good on the daily. I like Turbo. I feel like it does what BONK does, though. I feel like they move together. This is the Turbo chart, and then this is the BONK chart. Damn. Listen, Turbo is good. I made a few analysis on Turbo, but if you guys look at the Turbo chart, right? This is a Turbo chart right here, and look at the BONK chart. on the weekly. They're very similar. They're not exactly the same, but they both have this trend line right here. And if we go back to Turbo right here, they both again have this, you know, trend line where we're trying to potentially break. The big question is, are we going to break this trend line right here? We did get rejected the same way when BONK got rejected, Turbo got rejected as well right here, and we have another trend line right here the same way we have on BONK. So it looks good on the daily, it looks good on the weekly. Let's have a look on the daily right here. Yeah, on the daily it looks good, on the weekly it looks good. If we do break this trend line or this resistance right here, we're most likely going to make highs right here to 0.031, which would be a massive pump from here. It would actually be bigger. Yeah, it would be the same actually. It's the exact same as the BONK long. So if I take this right here, this is BONK, and I make a line. I don't know why they move together. It's very strange because Turbo's on Ethereum, right? No, Turbo's not on Ethereum. Turbo's is on Solana. And then we go, yeah, we're looking at 422%, 500%, something like that. Turbo. Yeah, Turbo is on, where is it? Where's Turbo on? Yeah, it's on Ethereum. I knew it. Yeah, it's on Ethereum. And you got base Turbo right here. You got me addicted to Slither.io. Bro, that shit's the best game ever. When the market's boring and there's nothing to do, there's no trades to do. No, I'm kidding. I don't play that, but I'll play it on the live, but it's fun. Sometimes I'll play with my girlfriend, sometimes, you know, we'll be in the same lobby and we'll play, but other than that, it's yeah, it's funny game. Yeah, BNB's climbing, guys. Look at that. Look at that climb on BNB. I love it. 806.73. 20x. I like BNB. I'd rather play a different snake game with my girlfriend. Bro. Guys, make sure you sign up with BYD if I could get a $2,000 bonus. Oh, and something I forgot to tell you about is not only if you sign up with BYD, not only is there a $2,000 bonus that you could potentially get, but there's also a trading competition that's happening right now. So this is something I forgot to mention in the last live, but if you go to trading competition right here and you see this, it starts off with a $2,000 USDT bonus, and with every $1 million volume, it's with leverage, of course. Okay, so it's actually not that crazy, the $1 million, because you have a bunch of people, and this is only for cryptos, by the way. This is only for my Discord. It grows by $100. Okay, so this thing started like not even 24 hours ago, and the price is already at like $2,300. So in my opinion, in 30 days, we're most likely going to see like $5,000 to maybe $10,000 in rewards, of course. And this is the leaderboard right here. I'm going to be updating it live not live, but I'm going to be updating it every day. Yeah, every day I'm going to be updating the leaderboard. So make sure you guys sign up with BYD because maybe you could get some, and we're talking about real money. We're not talking about like a bonus. We're talking about real. It could be like $3,000, $4,000, depends on what it is. But yeah. Sign up. Can you please do me? Can you check banned USDT for me? Took this one from BYD market analysis and it's printing, but I don't know where I should put TP. If you took it from the BYD market analysis right here, when did you take it? Oh, banned. The price has broken out a triangle pattern, is ready to bounce upward. The price, this was 3 days ago. The price has been bearish trend for a long time. Yeah, we could look at it right here. Banned USDT. We expect this pattern breakdown to be a signal for a start of an upward move. Okay, be active and watch this closely. This guy was smart. He wasn't a free VIP and he decided to take the freaking trade. I did not take the trade, but we could have a look at banned USDT. So this was 2 days ago, let's say, right? 2 days ago, which was right here. Wow, this thing is ripping. Yeah, if you're on leverage, how much leverage did you use on this? Let's say you use 10x. This would be a good time to take profit, maybe 25%. But listen, if we do break this area right here, if we do break this order block, yeah, we're probably gonna moon. We're probably gonna go to like this next order block, which is 95 cents in my opinion. Bitcoin and XRP are my retirement plan so far. So good. That's good. I'm not really so interested into me, to be honest. Like me token, like it's Carl's token. Like I don't know. It's not so interesting. Like yeah, I mean I don't know. I don't know, man. This is an interesting token, but I don't know. I'm not too much into it. Like it's not something that interests me right now. 17x and took 25% already. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you did 17x, you're cooking. Yeah, you should yeah, 25x on a 15-20% pump, like, or 17x, sorry, that's pretty freaking good. Oh my god, Ethereum is ripping again. Look at that. Look at ETH, man. It's just not stopping. Break a structure after break a structure after break a structure. I mean, this thing is just unstoppable right now. Let's have a look right here at Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is absolutely unstoppable right now. We had a massive change of structure right here on Ethereum too, which is super bullish. Look at that. I mean, only green. Look at the Heiken Ashi too. Oh my god, the Heiken Ashi on Ethereum. Holy shit. It looks like we do have an order block though right here coming very soon at 4,348. That's the order block on Ethereum, and 4,491. So this could potentially be a good, I don't want to say short area, but a good area to take profit on Ethereum. Maybe pull back, consolidate sideways before going to the upside. Maybe we get a hard rejection. But the Heiken Ashi do look fantastic right now. I mean, 15 minutes bullish all the way to the daily. We also have another order block at 4,641 to 4,770 on ETH. Holy shit. Look at the daily. I mean this thing is, oh my god, dude, this is so disgusting. That's disgusting. Ethereum is freaking disgusting right now. Hey boss, can I get advice from you? I need to retire my whole bloodline into the circle. Still shocked to close the XPX trade $9 this week. Trade not, what do you mean $9? You think SPX is gonna go to $9? That's insane. 185%. That's crazy. Congratulations, honestly. Congratulations. That's freaking amazing. Yeah, guys, I mean, this is what the Discord is for. You're gonna get the best insight right here on yeah, you're just gonna get the best insight right here. And he said he's buying Slurf. Okay, this is like a top-notch trader too that dropped these trades. He said he bought Slurf. I don't even know how high Slurf went, or if even if it did go high. He said he bought it. Oh yeah, it's still the same. Nothing too crazy. But that's interesting that he bought Slurf. Carl the Moon. Who is Carl? Yeah, Carl the Moon. He's the one that does the me token, or he promotes it. I'm not a fan. Like I like Carl. He's a cool guy, but I just don't like his me token and his Casta or whatever it's called. All that shit, all these shit coins that he promotes. Not a fan, but I get it. He's an influencer. People are gonna pay him to promote shit, and it just, you know, it is what it is. The same way I have partnership with BYDFi and I want you guys to sign up, you know, it's literally the same thing. Except he promotes like 9 different exchanges. I only promote BYDFi because I actually really like this platform. Personally, I don't trade on any other platform besides BYDFi. No Binance, no KuCoin, no shitcoin. I only trade on yeah, I only trade right here on BYDFi. Yeah, BNB is looking pretty fucking good right now. Looks like we're about to have a breakout right here. Yeah, we are attempting to have a breakout right here on BNB actually. Yeah, this looks like a clean breakout. I like it. We still have some time until the 4-hour does close. We have a small order block at listen, I would like to see a change of structure on the 30-minute time frame, which we still don't have it. If we close above right here on BNB, that would be a change of structure. I would like to close above 808 to have a full confirmation. We do have an order block at 808, 809. Those, do you make more money in trading as a bull or as a bear after blow off top? No, definitely a bull. It's because shorting is hard. It's harder than you think. But I do take more shorts obviously in a bear market. I'm gonna start, by the way, I'm gonna start taking shorts on the bear market when the price of Bitcoin, right, closes below the EMA ribbon. This is when I'm gonna start taking shorts in yeah, that's when I'm gonna start taking shorts. So we're not gonna know when the blow off top is, but if we have a look right here at the EMA ribbon on Bitcoin, we could see right here that when we are above on the weekly, we're pretty freaking bullish, don't get me wrong. When we are below it right here, this was the bear market, we're bearish. This was the year before that, bullish above it. When we're above it, we're bullish. But this growth right here is far more impressive than this growth, because here it was parabolic. There wasn't, you know, the market cap was low, institutions could manipulate more, but now you have banks, you have institutions, you got BlackRock, you got countries literally investing billions, millions, and maybe potentially trillions of money into Bitcoin. So not trillions yet, but yeah, this growth is very nice. It's very healthy. Maybe we're going to break the 4-year cycle. I believe that Bitcoin is just going to keep on pumping for the next like 2-3 years, in my opinion. Unless, yeah, I think, I mean, this growth is super healthy. It's like we're not seeing a parabolic growth like we saw right here. Look at that. I mean, this was like from July 20th, and we saw all-time high on for Bitcoin in like, yeah, like in like 6 months, a year, something, not even a year, like 8 months. Right here, we're seeing a pure healthy growth that started in 2022, and we're currently 2025, and it looks like we're not stopping anytime. Anytime. Bro, I just applied the tick options on your Discord. Want to be a member of your trading army? What do you mean? Did you here, I'm gonna verify a few of you guys, because I know sometimes it doesn't work. I fixed the bot, but I know some people, like, I don't know, they can't get in or whatnot. The drama needs to be more clear with less noise. Can you check Palmite? What is that? Becker mentioned this a couple times in the past. Apparently they work together with Google. Palm AI. Oh my god, bro, what is this? I think the bull market's going into at least 7 trillion in my opinion. Yes, I said it in all my videos for like the past 3 years. I think we're gonna see at least 7 trillion. 10 trillion, definitely possible, but I think we're gonna see 7 trillion for sure. Listen, I don't know what this coin is, what the market cap is, obviously. Alex Becker does shill a lot of like shit coins that are really shit. I'm not gonna lie. He's also like used a lot of people as like exit liquidity, so I don't know if I would do whatever he does, but I don't know. We do have a double bottom right here. I just don't know what the market cap is. If we do have a breakout above this level, we could definitely start running, but like I said, I don't know what this project does. I don't know what kind of news. I don't know what the market cap is. Very small market cap. You don't know how much. Let's have a look right here on CoinGecko. Oh wait, you guys are not even seeing this. 1 second. All right, so the market cap right here is sitting at $35 million. This thing came out right here in 2024, so about a year ago. Peaked at $119. If we have a look right here at the price, that's interesting. Yeah, they definitely minted some token, but it's okay. Total supply 77 million. I need to read more. I don't know what they do. It looks like it is a token on the Ethereum ecosystem, but I don't know what they do. Yeah, I don't know what they do. I'm gonna need to learn more about it. Yeah. All right, let's see right here. Is this Albanian music? I have no idea. This is a playlist that someone gave me. I have no idea what this is. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. Yeah, Pepe is still ranging right now on the 1 hour, it looks like. Yeah, we got 8 minutes left until the 1 hour closes on Pepe. It's looking pretty good. I think we're gonna have another breakout. I think we're gonna have another candle like this. We're gonna have another green dildo on Pepe like that. I think it's only a matter of time. I think we're gonna see 13 very soon on Pepe. Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Pepe's gonna fly. BNB, where's BNB? BNB 807. Let's go. Let's go. We keep climbing on BNB. XLM sleeping right now. XLM is sleeping. Language is Kosovo Albanian. So maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Who knows? Let's change. Let's see. What is this song right here? Not this one, no. I like this one. This one's pretty good. Has pretty good vibes. Captain Dose. Bonk is looking pretty good. Solana, someone said Solana was climbing, currently up 2%. Solana could break it. Yeah, Becker's not trusted. Best believe he will turbo dump if he chose a coin. Ooh, listen, Solana's also, I mean, if you have a look maybe on a 30-minute time frame, you could see it better. Yeah, we have a nice consolidation on Solana right here. Let me see. Yeah, we're above the 50 moving average, which is super good, super bullish, super healthy, super healthy trend for Sol right now. Thought on Ben, like the Ben meme coin? Are you serious? Like BitBoy Ben? I still don't know what you do for a living, Captain. Why do you want to know what I do for a living? Why are you so curious? I used to work in sales as an account executive. He beats his meat too. Yeah, exactly. Just like, guys, I do this for a living. Go to the Retire Clan and you'll see it. Where is it? Right here. I'm a chef. I'm a chef, man. Buddy, can you give me a quick check on wait, what's it called? Check how much it dumped. Wait, are you talking about it? Did it Ben USDT? I made money from that. I'm not, is it the dog, right? It's a done. Is it the dog? The Ben coin? Or it's not the dog, it's like a 3 arrow thing. I'm pretty sure it's a 3 arrow. Let me check it. I do have an OnlyFans if you guys want to sign up. Ben coin. Was it on Solana or Ethereum? Do you guys remember? Dude, that's so funny. Are you talking about the BitBoy? The BitBoy crypto legend. Oh, everyone knows who he is. Come on. Yeah, I'm a chef. I'm an only chef. That's what I do. I'm an only chef. Look at that. BNB's climbing 808. 808 for those of you guys who took my trade on the free VIP, or you should be printing right now. 808. Pepe also was dropped right here. XLM, we're getting I don't want to say we're getting destroyed, but it is a pretty big position, but only down 7%. Imagine being that rich and then losing absolutely everything. He got cocky at the top. He did. He got way too cocky. And no, but the thing with BitBoy is that the BitBoy channel wasn't his or some shit. Like someone paid him. He's like, we're gonna buy like 50% of your channel, and then you have to just do what I did. So pretty much they invested in him. He got rich, but technically without them, they wouldn't have he wouldn't have been where he is today. He lost his company, his wife, his children, and now he's in a mental institution. I feel dude, I feel bad for the dude, man. It sucks. Like that guy, that sucks, man. That sucks. That sucks. This guy had everything. He had a Lambo, a house. He cheated on his wife. Like altcoin season. If we close the weekly below the 60% dominance, it's gonna be a start. Yes. Bro, what do you mean you feel bad? You're laughing your last. No, because I feel bad for like his family. I feel bad for his family and kids, you know. It's fucked up. White feel bad for him. He scammed all his followers. Yeah, you know what? Fuck him. Oh, nice. We have a breaker structure right here on Solana, like I said. So I told you guys, oh, BONK is going up too. A little bit. So I told you guys in the last live, I was like, so Ethereum, Bitcoin had its run. I'm not saying that Ethereum is done with its run, but we're most likely going to see BNB and Solana pumping now. And that's going to be good. Yeah, try that again without the smirk. I feel bad for him. Sorry. I don't even know if you guys could hear the clapping. I don't think you guys could hear it. What else do we have here? We got money. We got this. We got that. Then we got this. Nice. Solana's pumping right now. If Solana pumps, that's going to be good for Titcoin, by the way. We set TP 800 on BNB. You said you took some profit already. Can you explain how to judge when to take some on the table? Well, first of all, I tell you guys when to take profit, obviously. And we took, I don't know, we took at a, you know, when you see everything's going up straight in an arrow, I think we took BNB profit. I don't know where it was exactly. I think I told you guys on the Discord, I told you guys right here on the swing channel that I took BNB profit. I don't know where exactly it was. I don't know, maybe on the VIP chat. How can I calculate? I don't know, it's just a feeling not to be greedy, you know. Like a lot of people, they like to just go all the way to the target and be greedy, but you know, you gotta take profit, guys. You always have to take profit. Always. You know, you just, I don't know, you just always have to take profit. I do want to say that. Maybe he's getting meat in prison, maybe. Yeah, but BNB, it's a slow mover. I'm not gonna lie, BNB's a slow mover. Let's see if we could reach 830. I think we could actually reach 830 right here. Oh, and we're about to get a change of structure on the, let's see, 23 seconds. Let's see if we could get it. Let's see if we could get the BNB change of structure right here. Yeah, we got 30. If we close above this, oh no, that wouldn't be a change of structure. But I would like for BNB to break this order block right here. This would be super bullish. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, we got the change of structure on the 15-minute time frame. Actually, we just got it. Yeah, we got it on the last 15-minute candle, the change of structure, which is pretty bullish. But we still have a order block right here that needs to be cleared for us to go up. I think we could go to. I think we could swing to 830 though. I think we could. It's gonna be a good. I think that this is gonna be a good trade. Yeah, we took the BNB trade right here when we were consolidating at like 784, something like that. I think that was our entry. We had a little bit more. Yeah, 785. This was our entry right here. But it's looking pretty good so far. It's looking pretty good. It's just a slow pumper. BNB's slow. It's boring. Ooh, look at this. That's why we decided to do 20x. Ooh, Solana, look at that. Solana's trying to break out too. Let's see if we could take all these the order block right here. Solana's looking pretty fire right now. Yeah, Solana's looking good. Pepe is just consolidating right now. We're just consolidating on the 1 hour. Yeah. We're consolidating to the like in an uptrend, which is pretty bullish. Let's have a look at the stocks real quick. Yeah, look at that. I like this. I like how we're consolidating in an uptrend right here. You could see right here the the RSI is coming down. We do have some sort of bullish divergence, which is pretty good on Solana. Not on Solana, on Pepe, sorry. So yeah, this consolidation is healthy. Maybe we come back down one more time, retest the POC, and then explode. I think that's what could potentially happen. XRP is running too. XRP, we did get that rebound, by the way. I didn't mention it, but we got that rebound off the EMA. It could potentially be a good long from here. I know I was waiting for for XRP to reach this level at $3.17, but then I saw the exponential moving average and the double bottom, or not a double bottom, but this support level. If this holds right here on the 4-hour time frame, I think we're gonna essentially continue to go up and break above this level, in my opinion. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. Okay, so I mean, right here, order block, it tells me automatically where the order block is, but you don't really need that, to be honest. Pretty much an order block is here, let me just remove this to explain to you. So right here, we're on the 15-minute time frame. So there's a big difference between a resistance and an order block. Okay, a resistance is typically when a price gets rejected at a certain level. Okay, so for example, I don't even know. Like an order block is a resistance, but a resistance is not an order block. Does this make sense? But let me see. Okay, for example, an order block is something that really it's a rejection that really brought the price down like crazy. Okay, so right here we saw an order block, a pretty big rejection, and this drove the price all the way down. Okay, so because we had that massive aggressive move, okay, this automatically becomes an order block. Okay, there was a lot of institutions, a lot of big whales who decided to sell right here, and ultimately this becomes an order block. And then you have a freaking resistance where we just this is a resistance right here, resistance, and then we break the resistance. Do you ever look at Nasdaq or S&P for trading? Yes, I do look at it during the week. I'm up to bed. Good night, brother. NTRN? I just don't know what NTRN is. The growth looks nice, but I don't know what it is, what they do. I think an entry would be right here. This would be a good entry. Maybe we come back and retest these EMAs. Because we're also, yeah, 3% retest. We do have this nice little double bottom right here, and we're also oversold. I mean overbought, sorry. We are overbought right here. And the trend is looking like it's getting a little bit tired right here. So maybe we come down, consolidate, something like that, retest the EMA ribbon, and then boom, come back and explode to the POC, to the point of control. And then this would be a good trade. What is that like? That's not too crazy. Yeah, it's 10%. Yeah, it's not crazy. Nice, BONK's trying to break out right here. I still think XRP gets to $3.17. There's confluence with a lower trend line and 3.17 support on the 2 hour. You think so? I mean, I feel like right here we're due for a bounce on XRP. Like I know what you're saying because that was originally my target. It was a 3.7 right here. But I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get that. I don't know. I mean, we're looking pretty oversold right here on the 2 hour. It looks like we want to flip to the upside. You know, yeah, I mean, the trend is still a little bit tired right here, but not so much momentum, I'll tell you that. If Solana keeps booming, then definitely BONK will rocket. Yeah, those, I mean, if buyers are stronger here, it may not go down. Yeah, exactly. When is XLM gonna pump? Yeah, that's a good question. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. Hopefully we come maybe down to this level maximum. I do have a stop loss at like 43.5, I think, something like that. It's right below this wick. I don't think we're gonna come below that. Sellers are looking pretty weak right here. Yeah, sellers are looking pretty weak right here. I think we come back here, test the exponential moving average. But the EMA ribbon are gonna they're gonna move up. They're gonna move up as this goes down. As long as we're not crashing down, we're fine. $809.67, almost $810, almost $810 for BNB. Guys, BYD fight $2,000 bonus, and then join the Discord if you haven't. Join the Discord. Come in the Discord. Come in the Discord if you guys have not. Yeah, just come in the Discord. And then, of course, you get a nice little first deposit bonus right here for you traders out there. If you guys do want to get a nice little bonus, you could, of course, get it. Guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to the live, make sure you guys subscribe too. What is this? Make sure y'all subscribe. We're currently sitting right now at 21,481. We're 19 subscribers away from 2,500. So I would really appreciate if you guys would smash that like, subscribe to the live. BNB is looking pretty good right here. 809.35. I think we're gonna see 830 very soon. Let's have a look right here at BNB. Open the chart. 15-minute chart on BNB. Ooh, that candle is not looking pretty. It looks like it's asking for a reversal. Maybe we come back and retest the POC. I wouldn't be surprised if this happens. I would not be scared if this happens. BONK is trying to break out. Yeah, BONK is attempting to break out from this region right here. So this is a resistance right here. For those of you guys who are wondering, what's the difference in order block and whatever, right here is we got resistance. Okay, we got a resistance because the price keeps on getting rejected, but it's not necessarily an order block right here. Order block would be a little bit higher, and the reason why is because this move right here brought it all the way down. If I zoom in, let me see. Yeah, so if I zoom in right here, you guys can see that we had the dump, the initial pump, and at that dump right here, this was the start of the dump. This was the start of the dump right here that brought it all the way down to, I don't even know what, 224. So we got bullish order blocks, bearish order blocks, but overall this is what's happening right now. BONK is indeed trying to break out. Let's see what happens. We got BNB right here sitting at 808. Like I said, this was not a nice little candle. Doge is a good entry. Doge is a good entry maybe on the longer time frame. Yeah, the monthly on Doge, it looks like we want to skyrocket. Look at that. Look at the monthly on Doge. It looks like we absolutely want to take off. It looks like we absolutely want to take off. The trend is your friend until it bends. We're on an uptrend. It looks like Doge is easily going to go to 1.2 this cycle. I think Doge is going to explode. A lot of people are going to be shocked. We know what happened right here back in, I mean, it's literally the same. It's literally the same. We were consolidating. We were in the trend line. We were boring. Kind of like what's happening right here. We were just bouncing off the trend line and then bang, just exploded out of nowhere. And this is exactly what's happening right here, except the trend line is bigger, the consolidation is bigger. We're trending and then bang, we're essentially going to explode. Doge is looking good. It's looking very, very, very good. It's looking pretty good. It's literally the exact same chart as we saw right here back in, let me just remove these EMA ribbons because it's a little bit dirty on the chart. But yeah, this pattern right here looks like this. Doge doesn't have Musk anymore. It doesn't matter, and they do, but it doesn't matter. Listen, I'm big on Doge, I'll tell you that. Let's have a look at Titcoin. What's going on with Titcoin? It's stuck at 10. It's stuck at 10, like 0.01. Titty coin. Guys, make sure you guys sign up with BYD. You could get a $2,000 bonus. You could also get access to my VIP right here. If you guys join the Discord, it's cap signals, swing signals, market analysis for free. Obviously, you don't have to pay anything. I'm not like that. Make sure you guys sign up with BYD and make sure you guys join the Discord. I'm trying to build the biggest crypto trading community ever. I don't know if that's going to happen, or we're trying to build the biggest crypto trading community ever. So make sure you guys sign up with BYD. Sign up with Discord. Ça va mon crypto 12? Ça va et toi? What else do we have here? We got H bar. Solana 184.3, looking pretty good right here. Ooh, Cardano. Cardano is a nice consolidation right here. Ooh. Ooh. I might tick along on Cardano. Should we live trade Cardano right now? Ooh. Should we live trade Cardano right now? I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add Cardano right here. If we come down at 80 cents, I'm gonna add more. I like Cardano right here. Si, vas-y. Ah, tu parles français aussi, hein? I'm gonna go ahead and live trade Cardano. And then if we come down below this level, and then if we come down to 80 cents, I'm gonna add more. Let's see what happens right here. Fuck is this? All right, we have a position open on Cardano right now. We got a position open on Cardano. Let's see what happens. I'm also gonna add a limit order on 80 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and do limit right here, and then we're gonna do 80 cents just in case, and then we're just gonna add it. I don't know if we're gonna come down below that level, but if we do, yeah, I doubt we're gonna come below, but if we do, that's gonna, whatever, it's gonna be good. But look, it looks like this could be a potential good breakout right here for Cardano. I mean, not only that, but look at the EMA ribbons. We came back, retested. Like I said, guys, we know that when we come and retest these EMA ribbons, we always break out. We had a breakout right here, a breakout right here, came back, retested, came back, retested, boom, boom, boom. Pretty simple. Stop loss. If I were to put a stop loss on Cardano, I think it would be below these EMA ribbons, just a little bit below, 79 cents maybe. Yeah, I would do 79 cents. For those of you guys who are taking the trade, I would probably do 79 cents. Like right here. It's a pretty good RR in my opinion, and take profit. I'd probably scalp it to this order block right here, which is 85 cents. Yeah, ETH is dumping, but Cardano's not. Cardano, the shit coin, 5%. Yes, this is okay, decent. If you're playing, like, I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and scalp this. ETH dumping, it's down $18. This guy said it, big boy. Listen, ETH is not dumping. ETH is only dumping if you're playing with 100x leverage. Yeah, if you're playing with like 100x leverage, then yes, ETH is dumping. But I think ETH comes back and retests 4,224. I think we're gonna retest that EMA ribbon right here. Oh, XLM's going back up a little bit. XRP's going back up too. We got BONK breaking out right here, looking pretty good. We got BNB. Yeah, a little bit indecisive right here. Doesn't know where to go. Solana, 184.71, looking pretty good. Let's see what Cardano does. Yeah, we're already up a few percent on Cardano, 2%. We're up 3.67% on Cardano. Man, everyone is buying Pepe. They add 1K new holders today. What the hell is going on? Yeah, but don't they have like 1 million holders? I don't think 1K holders is that crazy. I think most of the money is coming from people like us longing. You know, a lot of people are longing Pepe right now. I mean, I'm assuming Spot also, but I don't know. I've had Pepe. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. So 1,000 is like whatever. Most of the volume is coming from Dose. Nobody talking about Floki. Floki, the people's currency. I made a shit ton of money in Floki back in the days, man. I'll tell you that. Floki made me a shit ton of money. Floki looks good. I don't know if I would long here, but it looks good. Floki is old and their utility as a game. I just long Pengu at 38. Are you out of your mind? Why would you do this to yourself? EMA ribbons more powerful than indicators. Listen, indicators, they're all lagging. If you use them together, it's good. You shouldn't rely on it. You shouldn't really rely it. I think the volume profile is the most powerful, to be honest. This thing right here. If you know how to read this, this is probably the most powerful thingy. I just long Pengu at 0.0. Why would you do that? That's like let me see Pengu right here. Pengu looks good. It's look like a it looks like a good long too. Did BONK break out? Oh yeah, BONK is breaking out. Let's go. Let's go. Finally, my lord, after all these scammy Ponzi wicks left and right. After all these scammy freaking wicks left and right, we're finally exploding. Wow. Yeah, BNB up 60% right here, sitting at what is BNB traded at right now? 810. Let's fucking go. We got Pepe right now up 114%, BONK up 20%. We're on 5x leverage on BONK. Not crazy margin. We got Cardano up 3.18%, looking pretty good. 3.67 now. XLM trying to recover XLM right here. Still down, but not too worried. I know a lot of people in the group, like, you guys need to calm down. You guys were like, yo, XLM, why is it dumping? Dude, it did not dump. Where was it? Right here. Someone was like, where what? Yeah, dude, first of all, yo, big boy. XLM was not dumping, man. But there was another person that said we're getting crushed on XLM or something. What's up with XLM? Like, everyone is like going crazy on it. They're scared. We cooked XLM. No, you just have to be patient, fam. Like, I don't. Oh my god, BONK is exploding right now. Big green dildo on BONK. Yes. This is what we want. This is what we want. And BNB too, no? Let's go. We're gonna get 830. We're gonna get 830 in this live for BNB. No, I'm kidding. We're probably not, but still. I got into XLM at, oh my god, BONK rejecting right now. Oh my god, the scammy wicks are coming back. You got into XLM at 7 cents. Are you holding on spot? If you're holding on spot, that's oh my god, 7 cents. That's crazy. That's insane. When was it at 7 cents? It wasn't, oh, like, dude, you had that much patience. You had that much patience to hold XLM freaking, oh my god, it was at 2 cents at one point in 2020. Holy shit. Oh my god. XLM greatest comeback ever. Holy shit. That's fucking crazy. I didn't even know it was at 2 cents. Who posted the Pengu? Oh hell yeah, I see what you're doing. Put it on the trading PNL right here. Trading PNL. I invested 200k in the bear market in the top 20. All that 2022 fear was a blessing. It was too obvious. What about the COVID dump? Y'all remember that? All right, let's see how this candle plays out right here for BONK. We're gonna open the BONK chart right here. Let's see what happens. This was our entry on BONK right here. Nice entry, beautiful entry right here. The COVID crash was when I found out about crypto. Oh wow, you found out about crypto only during the COVID crash? That's insane.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Imagine being able to build an app with
All right, guys, I'm gonna log off. I gotta do a few things. Guys, I'm gonna log off. Thank you guys for tuning in. Obviously, I really appreciate it. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the stream. I'd appreciate it. I would appreciate that too. And if you guys have not joined the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. Discord is free. You don't have to pay. The free signal is free too. If you guys want to cook with us, make sure y'all join the Discord. I'll catch you guys in my next live. Hope you guys have a good rest of your Saturday. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Don't get wrecked. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.